So boys, I'm going to show you how to fix something I've been looking to fix for years. That is inability to have Riveter in the statistics server along with MSI Afterburner running while playing games and streaming with OBS. What would happen is the game capturing software would either crash or not hook, or it would hook and then it would freeze and just restart the game and try again, and eventually it would work, and then 10 minutes later it would crash. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, now, I've been looking for this for years. Now, what you want to do is, first things first, go to, if you have Riveter statistics installed, you're going to go to the settings of MSI. You're going to go to user interface. You're going to make sure single tray icon mode is unticked so you can actually open Riveter statistics. Okay, then you're going to go down here. It's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to open it. You're going to go to global. You're going to go to setup. In setup, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to see something called Microsoft Detour API hooking. Okay. Now, you got two choices. You can either do this globally for every single game you play, or only manually select it in games. Entirely up to you. I have opted to only manually select it in the games that I play at the moment that is Tarkov, and that allows me to look at my overlay while streaming and have the game capture all functioning perfectly fine. So yeah, just tick that, hit OK, you're done, restart your game, restart OBS, and that's it, and you're done with that. If you want people to be able to see your like FPS counter and stats overlays, capture third-party overlay will need to be enabled, and just you know, troubleshooting, enable use anti-cheat compatibility hooking as well when using third-party overlays. Hope this helped. Have a great day. Don't forget to sub, like, you know, you catch the drift. Catch me on Twitch, usually streaming Tarkov or Counter-Strike. Peace.